Let's talk about electronic variable ND. The future is here.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi everybody from IBC 2023. I'm here at the LC-Tec stand with Jasper. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Very well indeed. You guys make something really interesting. Electronic variable ND filters, right?
Exactly. So it's electronic, it's variable, but it's not based on rotating polarizers. So there's no polarization artifacts, there's no moving parts. So the ND level is controlled by voltage input. So there's no moving parts, very fast switching. And the switching is fully continuous. So you can tune the voltage to exactly the ND level you would like.
So there are some cameras on the market that already have a technology like this built in?
That is correct.
Yeah.
We are not allowed to say which one. We can say that we are in the C-Cam product, that's all. But otherwise we cannot say. So this is the small sensor side filter that goes inside the camera close to the sensor. So this is the first show that we show the full size 4x5.65 matte box version.
So this will be a product under your brand, which is going to be on the market that people can buy and just put in their matte box?
No. So we will manufacture the filter itself, and we are at this show looking for partners that will make the end user product. So they're going to make the tray, the user interface, the electronics.
Well, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of interest. I mean, there's for sure a lot of interest by users to have something like this.
Yes, exactly. We have met a lot of people at the show, both end users that are interested, distributors, and also potential partners that we can work with this on.
Why is this, tell me, without going into too much technical detail, about why is this something that we've been waiting for so long, and it's so, elusive still in a way?
It's a very challenging product. We have been manufacturing liquid crystal components, display and precision optics for 30 years. And we have perfected the technology, and now I think it's market ready.
Tell me one thing, is there a possibility in the future to never have to put a filter in front of the sensor, because using a technology like this, will it ever be possible to completely disable it? You know what I mean? It's like, because the one that I know starts at, I think, at least one stop or 1.5 stops. Will it ever be possible to have one that is absolutely zero or close to zero?
Unfortunately not. So it's technology limited. So this product, it goes from 1.5 to 5 stops.
Yeah.
The internal one goes from 2 to 7 stops reduction.
Okay. So, but because of course in a dream world, you have a permanent variable electronic ND in front of every camera sensor, you never think about it, right? Because then you don't need to move it in.
Right. But you always lose some light.
Maybe you can give me a little bit of insight what you have done before, like before you went out public with, your product and now looking for partners. I mean, we've probably already used your technology in other manufacturers' products.
We started out as a display company, making information displays, so LCDs. Then you don't see so many such companies anymore in the Western world because of the competition from Asia. So we made a transition now 10 years ago, to precision optics. So we have been doing 3D polarization for projection, cinema movies. We have industrial applications. But now our current focus is the camera imaging application.
Very interesting.
The technology can also be used in eyewear. So that is something we're looking into, smart eyewear, fashion, sports, protective, medical, augmented reality.
Of course. I mean, you have something very interesting here. I mean, we're showing a B-roll shot of glasses with built-in variable ND and colorful NDs.
Yeah, so it's the same technology, but used in a different application.
We can definitely see this in sunglasses, changing the intensity of the filtration, right?
Yes, exactly. It can be made automatically.
Interesting.
And also the transition from one level to another is very fast and can be made remote controllable without any motor. So you directly control the electrical signal.
I mean, there are sunglasses on the market, right, that change the intensity, but they're very slow, I think. That's like something different, I guess.
Different technology, so-called photochromic, that reacts to the UV light. So you cannot control it, and it's minutes of switching time, while ours some 10 milliseconds.
Yeah. Where do you think this technology going in 5 to 10 years? I mean, you must have a long, roadmap or ideas where you can see this in the camera field. I mean, where do you see this evolve?
So our vision is that we should be in every camera. You should have internal ending.
That's very good. Yeah, that would be nice. And also the small cameras that are lacking it right now, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right, so we can't actually talk about pricing and availability because it's not an actual product yet. But do you have any idea of when we might see this in the market?
So we hope early next year that you will see this technology in an adapter product. Then maybe it depends on our partners, of course, but maybe at NAB in April should be a close to finished product from some partner.
Yeah,
and then maybe this show next year start to sell.
Very nice. Then let's catch up next year, I would say, and see where we went from here. Yeah,
looking forward to it.
Me too. Thank you, Jasper, and thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more from IBC 2023, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.